Hi and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna quickly crochet that bow. This is a very simple bow. It's not the one on the wreath there. This is just a chain stitch, quick as ever chain stitch bow. So start by crocheting a plus minus 20 chain stitches and then make a bow. That's how simple it is. Just make a bow. See if it's big enough, long enough for you. I don't think mine is, so I'm just going to add about 10 more chain stitches. Here we go. Remember, this is about you and about you being happy. So if you want a very long bow, I just remembered to put on the light, then go ahead and go for a long bow. Just find the center, make your bow. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be perfect according to you. And you can see I stitched this bow on. Alternatively, you can also hot glue it on, cold glue it on. So that is my bow. Nice and simple. Now on this one, I just added some half double crochets to the chain stitches, and before I stitched it on. That was it. Nothing hectic, nothing too major. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.